𝐍a𝐠a, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of 𝐍a𝐠a.
Welcome to 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and SAM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified 𝐶𝐵.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of 𝐶a𝐈l𝐥e𝐠e.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated.
On behalf of our President, Dr. Ida P.O.C.A, Executive President for 𝐶𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e, our respected Principal, Mr. Noel Assis, our academic supervisor, Ms. Raquel F. Nabo, our assistant principal, Ms. Francia Biriroin, our inspiring guest speaker, Ms. Angelica S. Ashow-Pasha, beloved school administrators, bed faculty and staff, our proud parents, guardians, and special guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with joy and pride to welcome you all to this very special occasion, our 2024-2025 Moving Up and Graduation Rise Ceremony. Today is filled with smiles, cheers, and proud hearts on behalf of the kindergarten completers. I would like to thank you all for beginning here today to celebrate this happy event with us. This school year was full of fun and learning, from singing songs and writing our first word to make new friends and learning to work together. We have grown so much, not just in height, but also in heart and mind. We would like to give our big thanks to our dear teachers who guided us with patience and love. Thank you for helping us become the best version of ourselves, to caring school staff who we are, always ready to help us. Thank you for your warm smiles and support. To our families, our #1 cheerleaders, thank you for your love, care, and support. And above all, we thank God for blessing us with strength, joy, and memories that we'll cherish forever. This ceremony is not the end, but just beginning of more learning and growing. God bless NCF, our alma mater, and God bless us all. So we once again welcome to school year 2025 Moving Up and Graduation Rise Ceremony.
Dr. Ida P.O.C.A, the NCF Executive Vice President for External Linkages, upon the recommendation of the Basic Education Department faculty and of the Registrar, it is my honor to present to you 19 candidates for kindergarten completion. Please rise. And 57 candidates for elementary graduation. Please rise. For school year 2024-2025, they have satisfactorily completed the kindergarten and elementary curriculum of the K-12 program prescribed by the kindergarten and elementary by the Department of Education. Madam Executive Vice President, for your confirmation.
By the authority and power vested by the Board of Trustees on the President of the 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e Foundation, and having been presented by the Principal of the Basic Education Department that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for kindergarten and elementary as prescribed by the Department of Education under the Basic Education K-12 program, I, on behalf of the President, hereby confirm you, kindergarten completers and elementary graduates of 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e F𝐨u𝐧d𝐚t𝐢o� Incorporated for school year 2024-2025. Therefore, you are entitled to receive your kindergarten certificate of completion and elementary diploma with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto appertaining. Congratulations. You may be seated now. Esteemed Speaker, Ms. Angelica S. Xiao Pasha, our Chief Finance Officer, Dr. Roger P. Villanueva, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Dr. Fernando Macarig, Assistant School Division Superintendent, now representing the Superintendent, Ms. 𝐍a𝐠a Agregado, Registrar, Mr. Al-Noel Asis, Assistant Vice President and Principal for the Basic Education Department, Ms. Raquel Nabong, Academic Supervisor of the Basic Education Department, Ms. Francia Ruin, Assistant Principal for Grade School, Ms. Marinel Rito Bagalasa, President of the 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e Foundation Alumni Association, faculty, administrators and staff, parents, guardians, and guests. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, most importantly, the girls and boys we are honoring today. This is indeed a very special day for all of us. Let me thank the little boy who welcomed all of us, Mr. Capardo. Thank you for welcoming us. As parents and teachers, we put a lot of time and energy into preparing our children for their futures. And rightly so. We do indeed need to equip our children with lifelong skills to prepare them for adulthood. It is our collective responsibility as we guide and mold the leaders of tomorrow, for it is on them that the future will have to depend. Today, we pay tribute to the young ladies and gentlemen of tomorrow. We know that they have started their remarkable journey towards achieving this goal. They have grown and developed exponentially. They have learned so much. They have remained eager and enthusiastic and they have grown in so many ways. Our thanks and appreciation to you, teachers and parents, guardians, for the fantastic role that you have played to facilitate this process. Now, let me address today's completers. Our kindergarten completers, I need to tell you how very proud we are of you today. You are all incredibly special people. You are seated here in front of us, having worked very hard to learn more every day. You have played hard. You have made new friends, and you have all tried to be good friends too. Well done, and congratulations to each and every one of you. You can feel very proud of all of you, what you have done this year. Let us give them a big round of applause. Now let me address our grade 6 graduates. Congratulations. You have reached a significant milestone, and I'm so proud of the hard work and dedication you've shown throughout your years with us here at NCF. As you move forward, but remember, this is not goodbye, because we expect you to move forward with us here at the Naga College Foundation. Remember to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Your journey is just beginning, and I have no doubt that you will achieve great things. Continue to seek knowledge, explore your passions, and never stop learning. The world is full of amazing things waiting to be discovered by you. Be kind, compassionate, and true to yourselves. Your values and character are what will guide you through life's journey. Never forget the lessons and friendships you have gained here with us at the Naga College Foundation. You are a part of a special community, and I am confident that you will make a positive impact on the world. Finally, I want to express my sincere gratitude to the parents, teachers, and staff who have supported you along the way. Your dedication and commitment, our dear teachers and parents, have made a real difference on our graduates and completers. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. May your path be filled with joy, success, and happiness. Again, congratulations.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable school administrators, esteemed guest speaker, dedicated Alumni Association President, respected teachers, proud parents, and beloved classmates. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. We have finally made it. We are standing at the finish line of our grade school journey, ready to take the next big step in our lives. Looking back, it feels like just yesterday when we first walked through the doors of our school as wide-eyed kids, unsure of what lay ahead. But today, As we stand here as graduates, we are filled with pride and joy for how far we have come. Being a student at this school has been an incredible journey, filled with challenges, growth, and unforgettable experiences. As the PGO president, I had the privilege to lead and serve my fellow students, working together to create positive change in our school. It was not always easy, balancing academics, responsibilities, and extracurricular activities required hard work, but it taught me the value of leadership, teamwork, and perseverance. One of the most unforgettable experiences I had was competing in the National Robotics Competition in Baguio City, representing our school in a national level. Was both exciting and nerve-wracking. The long hours of training, the moments of frustrations when things didn't go as planned, but the pressure of the competition were all part of the journey. But through it all, we learned so much: problem solving, creativity, and resilience. The experience showed us that with dedication and passion, we could achieve great things. Of course, our journey was not without challenges. There were tough exams that made us question our abilities, projects that tested our patience, and moments when we felt overwhelmed. But through determination, the guidance of our teachers, and the support of our families and friends, we pushed forward, and today, we celebrate our success together. Beyond the medals, awards, and achievements, what truly matters are the friendships we have built, the lessons we've learned, and the memories we've created. Every laugh shared, every lesson learned, and every challenge overcome have shaped us into the individuals we are today. To our teachers, thank you for your unwavering patience, wisdom, and guidance. You have not only taught us lessons from books, but also valuable lessons in life. To our parents, your endless support and sacrifices have been the foundation of our success. We would not be here without you. And to my fellow graduates, congratulations. We have conquered grade school, and now we are ready to take on the new challenges in junior high school. As we step forward into the next chapter of our lives, let us carry with us the lessons we have learned, the friendships we have built, and the dreams we have made. Let us continue to aim high, work hard, and believe in ourselves. But before I end the speech, let me remind all of us of the importance of gratitude. Let's take a moment to look around at our teachers who have guided us, our parents who have stood by us, and our friends who have been our greatest allies. Most of all, let us thank God for blessing us with the strength, wisdom, and grace to reach this milestone. As we move forward, let's not forget to appreciate and honor Him and all who those supported us. The future holds endless possibilities, and I believe that each one of us is capable of making a difference in the world. Once again, congratulations, Batch 2025. The future is bright, and it's ours to create. Thank you.
Dr. Fernando Macaraig, our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, our Board of Trustees, school officials, our guest speaker, our completers and graduates, parents and guests, a pleasant morning to all of you. Our guest speaker currently serves as the Administrative Officer 4 at the Department of Agrarian Reform, Camarines Sur 1 Provincial Office, bringing 13 years of experience in public service. She began her career with the agency in 2012 as a Secretariat for the Bids and Awards Committee and was promoted to Agrarian Reform Program Officer 1 in 2015. In this role, she acted as the community development facilitator for agrarian reform beneficiaries, organizations, and cooperatives. In 2021, she was promoted to her current position, where she oversees administrative and support services, including supplies, property and facilities management, procurement, and other operational functions. Her responsibilities ensure the efficient operation and resource management of the office. As the head of the General Services section, she plays an important role in ensuring the smooth and efficient functioning of the DAR Provincial Office, guaranteeing that resources are managed effectively and essential services are delivered consistently. Additionally, she serves as the Assistant Lead Auditor for the Internal Quality Audit Team for ISO certification, ensuring that DAR Provincial Office's internal systems meet international standards for consistency and quality. Our guest speaker is the youngest of 5 children born to Mr. Rodolfo O. Asciao and Mrs. Nida S. Asciao. From a very young age, it was evident how much she loved and cared for her family, particularly her mother. She completed her entire education at Naga College Foundation, from kindergarten through college, where she was a consistent honor student. She plans to pursue postgraduate studies this coming semester to further enhance her skills and her career. Her former kindergarten teacher, Ma'am Franz here, describes her as mabuot na aki and very cooperative. As a student, she was very active in extracurricular activities, yet she never took her studies for granted. She recently got married to Mr. Richard James Pasha. My dear friends, it is my pleasure to introduce to you our guest speaker. Please give a warm welcome to Miss Angelica Asciao Pasha.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Raquel, for that very inspiring and flattering introduction. On behalf of the President, the Executive Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. 𝐸𝐷a P. 𝐸c𝐠e, Ma'am, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquis, Assistant Vice President for Basic Education Department and Principal, Mr. Al Noel L. Assis, Sir, NCF administrators, graduates, parents, to all faculty and staff, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It feels a little surreal to be standing here in front of you. It's like looking into a mirror, reflecting of a younger version of myself, filled with the same mix of excitement and uncertainty you're feeling right now. Today brings back a lot of fond memories to me. I remember the feeling of excitement when the school bell rings during recess, the fun and laughter when we used to play on the playground, the laughter echoing down the hallways, the whispered secrets between me and my best friends. These are some of the memories that warm my heart. There were also the less than perfect moments, the awkward and cringe-worthy experience, some friendship that faltered, times when we were being disciplined by our teachers, and academic challenges. These experiences, while sometimes painful, has taught me valuable lessons. It was a world of simpler joys, of unbridled imagination, and of unshakable belief that anything was possible. It wasn't always easy, but looking back, those years are a rich blend of challenges overcame, period of growth, discovery, and lessons learned both inside and outside the classroom. The memories, both big and small, continue to shape my perspective and influence my life in many ways. They are a testament to the power of education, friendship, and the enduring impact of those formative years I had with Naga College Foundation. Today, as I look at your bright faces, I am filled with profound sense of admiration and hope. I am reminded that the future is full of possibilities. And I am deeply honored for the opportunity to share my experiences with you, to offer a glimpse into my journey, and hopefully inspire you in some ways. You know, when I was your age, I once dreamt of becoming a successful lawyer. But fate has other plans. Sometimes the path we take leads us to an unexpected destination, and that's okay. Because life is a journey, not a straight line. The universe subtly directed me towards opportunities that I never considered otherwise. However, this allows me to use my skills in unexpected and fulfilling ways. It taught me resilience, adaptability, and the importance of staying open to unexpected detours. My dream might have changed, but the passion remains. You know, the world is a complex place, but it's a beautiful one. You have the power to create positive change and make a difference. The world needs individuals who stand for something, who are guided by strong moral compasses. Remember to uphold the core values you have learned in this institution: quality, excellence, service, and truth. As this year's commencement theme, Quest, Quality, Excellence, Service, and Truth for a Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations. Let these values be your compass, guiding you through life's inevitable challenges. Our education has instilled in us the pursuit of quality and excellence, and it is important to embrace them in all that you do. These are not mere words, but fundamental principles. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. It's about continuous improvement, pushing boundaries, and embracing challenges with passion and dedication. You've already demonstrated your commitment to excellence by reaching the significant point in your academic journey. But your pursuit of excellence doesn't end here. It's a lifelong journey, a commitment to doing your best in every endeavor. The key is to embrace the unknown, the willingness to learn from your mistakes, the courage to push beyond your comfort zone, learning something new along the way, and celebrating your process every step of the year. Beyond personal and academic achievement, education has emphasized the importance of service. Service is not just an act of charity, but a fundamental expression of our humanity. It's about lending a hand to those who need it, with a genuine desire to make a positive impact on the lives of those around us. Whether it's volunteering your time, helping a friend, or simply being kind and considerate, can inspire others to do the same and can create a ripple effect of positive change. By upholding the values of service, you're not just helping others, but you're also becoming the best version of yourself. As you navigate the complexities of life, remember that true success is measured not by what you accumulate, but by what you contribute. The pursuit of truth extends far beyond the confines of textbooks and classrooms. And your journey through education hasn't just been about accumulating facts and figures. It's about discerning truth from falsehood, intellectual honesty, and analyzing information. In today's world, with so much misinformation and uncertainty, the ability to discern truth becomes not just a virtue, but a necessity. Learn to analyze critically, evaluate evidences, and be discerning readers. Be truthful in your words and actions. Have the courage to challenge falsehood and stand up for what is right, even in the face of opposition. Acknowledge your own biases, admit when you're wrong, and be open to changing your minds in the face of new evidence. Be the generation that restores faith in facts, that promotes transparency and seeker of truth. Champion the pursuit of knowledge, starting with you and extending outwards to our society. As you embark in this new chapter, I want to remind you that you are capable of amazing things. Always be kind, curious, and never stop learning. Embrace the spirit of curiosity, the thirst for knowledge, and the courage to try new things. Embrace challenges and step out of your comfort zone. In this world that is constantly changing, you need to navigate those changes with grace and determination. Don't be afraid to fail, for it's through failures that you will learn and grow. Be agents of positive change, upholding your values while embracing innovations. Make a difference, one act of integrity, one creative solution, and one compassionate deed at a time. Graduates, now that you're ready for new adventures, with more exciting things to learn, I want you to enjoy and savor this journey. Remember, school days are an assortment of learning, laughter, and friendships. It is a time to make memories that will last for a lifetime. So I want you to cherish the moments you're creating. Explore your interests, join clubs, participate in extracurricular activities, and discover your passion. Enjoy the silliness, the carefree days, the adventures, and the friendships. For these memories will be a chapter you look back on with fondness. The days that shaped who you are and who you will become. Your school days are not just a stepping stone to the future, They are a journey to be embraced, cherished, and enjoyed. And finally, as you celebrate today's milestone, I want you to express your gratitude and appreciation to the people who have been part of your journey, to your classmates, for the friendship, the laughter you've shared, and for making school a more enjoyable experience. To your teachers, for their guidance, patience, and an understanding. Thank them for all their invaluable learnings they have imparted to you. And most importantly, thank your parents for their unconditional love and unwavering support. They sacrifice so much to provide you with opportunities to nurture your dreams and become the person you are today. Your future beckons, not with a whisper, but a resounding roar. And in that roar, you will find your purpose. So celebrate this moment, this feeling, and this incredible journey together. Congratulations, graduates. Go forth and make your mark, not just for yourselves, but for the betterment of all. Thank you.
Plaque of appreciation to the guest speaker. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, City of Naga, 𝐍a𝐠e School Supervision Services Association Incorporated. Present this plaque of appreciation to Ms. Angelica S. Ashao Pasha, Administrative Officer for Department of Agrarian Reform, Camarines Sur Provincial Office, NCF Bed Alumna, Kindergarten, Class of 1998, Second Honors, Elementary, Class of 2004, Salutatorian, High School, Class of 2008, Fourth Honorable Mention, College BS in Computer Science, Class of 2012. In grateful recognition and appreciation of her invaluable presence and of her conveying a significant message to the graduates reflective of her knowledge and expertise, thereby serving as a shining inspiration as guest speaker. During the kindergarten moving up and grade 6 graduation with the theme Quest for Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations, held on April 7, 2025 at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed, Mr. Marius C. Villanueva, President.
Kinder Timon, Advisor, Ms. Queenie Ann L. Flores. Barameda Jewel Dean Roman T. Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Tidy Kid Award, Eager Beaver Award, Little Scientist Award, Math Wizard Award, and Sporty Kid Award. 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e Little Scientist Award, Eagle Beaver Award, Kinder Body Award, Writing Wizard Award, Tidy Kid Award, Math Wizard Award, Star Reader Award, and Sporty Kid Award. Cintura Sean Aziel B. Math Wizard Award, Little Scientist Award, Writing Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, Kinder Body Award, Tidy Kid Award, Star Reader Award, Sporty Kid Award, and Perfect Attendance Award. Dauran Seth Ivor M. Math Wizard Award, Kinder Body Award, Writing Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, Little Scientist Award, Tidy Kid Award, Star Reader Award, and Sporty Kid Award. Dineros Jeevan Angelo B. Eager Beaver Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Little Scientist Award, Tidy Kid Award, Sporty Kid Award, and Math Wizard Award. Navarro Ezekiel V. Eager Beaver Award, Math Wizard Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Little Scientist Award, Tidy Kid Award, and Sporty Kid Award. Santa Ines Kyle Dominic G. Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Tidy Kid Award, Math Wizard Award, Little Scientist Award, Eager Beaver Award, and Sporty Kid Award. Kiros Aton Super D. Artistic Kids Award, Writing Wizard Award, Math Wizard Award, Little Scientist Award, Kinder Body Award, Star Reader Award, and Eager Beaver Award.
Mary Joshua G. Little Scientist Award, Tidy Kid Award, Writing Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Star Reader Award, and Math Wizard Award. 𝐍a𝐠a Irish Blair C. Little Scientist Award, Tidy Kid Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Math Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award. Casilihan Maria Liana Vernice E. Writing Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Math Wizard Award, Tidy Kid Award, Little Scientist Award, and Sport Kid Award. Marceline B. Little Scientist Award, Math Wizard Award, Writing Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, Tidy Kid Award, Helping Hands Award, Witting Body Award, Sporty Kid Award. Ojeda Cassie Kimberly E. Tidy Kid Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Little Scientist Award, Math Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, and Star Reader Award. Reconcilio Ryan Cassie A. Artistic Hands Award, Writing Wizard Award, Math Wizard Award, Little Scientist Award, Eager Beaver Award, Helping Hands Award, Star Reader Award, and Kinder Body Award. Robles Bria Amara S.A. Little Scientist Award, Tidy Kid Award, Helping Hands Award, Math Wizard Award, Artistic Hands Award, Kinder Body Award, Eager Beaver Award. Septimo Alexandra Rose, Writing Wizard Award, Math Wizard Award, Little Scientist Award, Artistic Hands Award, Eager Beaver Award, Tidy Kid Award, Kinder Body Award, and Helping Hands Award. Verdadero Catriona Marie M. Tidy Kid Award, Kinder Body Award, Eager Beaver Award, Little Scientist Award, Helping Hands Award, and Math Wizard Award. 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e R. Little Scientist Award, Kinder Body Award, Helping Hands Award, Tidy Kid Award, Eager Beaver Award, Math Wizard Award, and Sporty Kid Award. Zaragoza Precious Fia Zamara L. Little Scientist Award, Writing Wizard Award, Eager Beaver Award, Kinder Body Award, Tidy Kid Award, Star Reader Award, Math Wizard Award, and Helping Hands Award.
Grade 6 Alexander. Advisors, Miss Grace Y. Plaza and Miss Lyra M. Lorico. Arellano Dwight Francis H. Balagot Rod Benedict D. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Castañeda Man Matthew F. Casindad Christopher Ray M. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Gideon J.D. Encinas John Vincent L. Expedido Darwin G. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate, special award in robotics, gold medallion and certificate. Ralph Andre D. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Estrado John Francis, Special Award in Robotics, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Maligaya Carl Dave Luis D.A. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Olanyo Zane Kendricks H. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Passionella Kian Gabriel C. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Special recognition as PGO Officer, Public Relations Officer. Special award in sports, swimming, gold medallion and certificate. Parinas Julian Giro P. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Special recognition as PGO Officer, Secretary, silver medallion and certificate. Perfinian Rafael Clegwine S. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Prilyas Joshua Joseph L. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. James Rudolph M. with high honors, silver medallion and certificate. Special recognition as PGO Officer, President, gold medallion and certificate. Special recognition in social sciences, gold medallion and certificate. Special award in robotics, gold medallion and certificate. With honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Cabrini H. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. 𝐍a𝐠a Isabella P. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Elisan Crystal Jane D. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Mapa Audrey Angela E. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Special recognition as PGO Officer Grade 6 Representative, silver medallion and certificate. Navarro Jancy V. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Orozco Jasmine Stella N. 𝐍a𝐠a C𝐨l𝐥e𝐠e D. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Orozco Jasmine Stella N. with high honors, silver medallion and certificate. Orsine Rica Paula M. Pangilinan Maria Rafaela Cristina B. with high honors, silver medallion and certificate. Valerio Gabriel Ashley R. with high honors, silver medallion and certificate. Special recognition as PGO Officer, Budget and Finance Officer, silver medallion and certificate. And special recognition in Sciences, gold medallion and certificate. Yape Sophia Bliss G. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate.
Grade 6 Honor Plus, Advisor, Mr. Vincent B. Bonoa. Armendi Timothy Macarius C. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Francisco Ryan E. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Special award in sports, chess, gold medallion and certificate. Joseo Von Emir R. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Camalia Don Samuel P. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Doblado Sumer Orni D. Jornales Mark Ismael S. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Lusan Antonio Andres M. Moral Prince Pio Pablo, Special Award in Sports, Swimming, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Ortañez Heaven Ace R with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Paraiso Jacob L. with high honors, silver medallion and certificate. Special awards in sports, chess, gold medallion and certificate. Special recognition in communication arts, bronze medallion and certificate. Pellejera Isaac Lorenzo B. with high honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Special recognition in mathematics, gold medallion and certificate. Santos Giro Miguel DJ. Valenzuela Francis King B. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Verdeflor Paulo Jonas with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Special award in sports, chess, gold medallion and certificate. 𝐍a𝐠e 𝐸l𝐴 with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. With honors, bronze medallion and certificate. 𝐵𝐴𝐴 with high honors, silver medallion and certificate. Portero Isabella Marie P. De la Cruz Johanna Marie T. with high honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Jelena Amber B. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Galvez Janelle Crystal C. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Moralde Gabriel Janelle V. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Raro Alexandria I. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Sumanggit Princess Nicole P. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Tubalinal Samantha Faith A. Velez Maria Athena Alicia N. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate. Villavicencio Mary Angel L. with honors, bronze medallion and certificate.
To the Board of Trustees of Naga College Foundation Incorporated, headed by their chairman, Attorney Carlo V. Villanueva Jr., and the members of the board who are present this morning. We have with us Dr. Roger Villanueva. We also have with us on the stage Dr. Ida P. Osea, the Vice President for External Linkages, and Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, the Vice President for Academic Affairs. And we also have our Assistant Vice President for Basic Education, and at the same time, the Principal of the Basic Education, Sir Alnoel Asis, and to Ma'am Rhea Agregado, to Ma'am Raquel F. Nabong of the BED Academic Supervisor. And we also have with us Ma'am Francia Ruin, the Assistant Principal, and the President of Naga College Foundation Alumni Association, Ma'am Marinel Rito Bagasala. To the faculty and staff, to the parents, to the completers or graduates, to everyone in attendance, a pleasant morning to all of you. Probably you will ask, why is it that Ma'am Susan Culiano is now a male? So Ma'am Susan Culiano, whose name is reflected in our program, is attending an equally important activity being sponsored by the Commission on Election. So at this moment, and starting yesterday until tomorrow, Ma'am Susan is attending a training being conducted by the Commission on Election in preparation for the May 12 election. And she requested me to read before you her message for this morning's activity. And I'd like to read her message to you. Today marks the turn of another page in your academic journey. I know that you pulled off this chapter by solid hard work, resilience, and steadfastness, along with your core strengths. Thus, I firmly believe that this year ushered in amazing discoveries, experiential discoveries, and amazing growth. Celebrate this milestone you richly deserve. Congratulations and gratitude to you, to your parents, to the entire school community. Looking back, I know you couldn't help but marvel at how you tightened your grip to the rope to successfully turn the tide. There were never small or big challenges which you did not overcome. This is a proof of your ability to make big aspiration a reachable reality. You now stand beside the precipice of the future. As you continue the journey, it will make very good sense if you bring forth the highlights and hindsights of your glorious past to serve as your insightful compass. The theme conveys a powerful message to you as an architect of what's forthcoming. This task may be overwhelming, but I believe it is better viewed as an inspiring future because it places hope and faith in your limitless capacity to what best you can accomplish. Conquer the heights and be the flyers for greater heights. Be future ready, for the future is yet to be. It is worthy to note that what lies ahead is characterized by vagueness and uncertainty. However, it is more inspiring to look forward with 100% optimism, bearing in mind that you belong to the shapers of that future. You can always make a difference in how that future could be. Be a productive collaborator. The world that awaits you is not just yours to seize and build. It is a world that requires not just individuals, but partners, regardless of differences, perspectives, color, and beliefs. All these differences make up the collective endeavor and the collective good to provide the safe and rightful space for all. Be transformative. The techno tools that are making waves in the ways we do our stuff are taking over the jobs that we usually do bare-handed. There is no way by which we can reverse the technological influences. So, there's the compelling sense of adaptability to technological breakthroughs. Transform your tools into a fitting makeover for your generational requirements. Be unstoppable. The world is always evolving and shaped by unending innovations. Share your unique talents and resources. Help build that future with a larger sense of group effort, collective will, shared vision, and creation of healthy and free spaces so that others can thrive. Your education and all its attendant difficulties and challenges should push you to challenge your ability, question even your acquired knowledge, and pursue boundless opportunities that will make your cohort a united bunch that will come to fruition the line, what a bright and better world this would be for everybody. Finally, and most importantly, be a person for others. You should be the person you have been looking for. Always stand in unison with like-minded individuals who will inherit the world and craft its future where compassion, respect, and shared purpose become the foundation upon which you build your global citizenship on. Remain to be a graduate of your institution who exemplifies its vision and mission. May you be blessed more with God's graciousness, providential protection, and constant guidance. To the completers or to the graduates, congratulations again on your smart finish. Thank you, and once again, good morning, everyone.
Please all rise. Itaas ang iyong kanang kamay at inyong ulitin matapos kong bigkasin. Buong puso akong nangangako na mamahalin ko ang aking paaralang pinagtapusan, ang mataas na paaralan ng Naga College Foundation. Matapat kong isasagawa ang mga dakilang mithiin nito at sisikapin kong mabuhay ng marangal upang magamit ko ng buong talino ang aking mga natutunan sa paglilingkod sa dakilang lumikha, sa aking bayan at sa aking kapwa-tao.
Please remain standing. Please raise your hand, right hand, and follow after me as you say the oaths of membership to the Naga College Foundation Alumni Association Incorporated. I, please state your name. A graduate of the Naga College Foundation, do solemnly affirm my membership in the NCF Alumni Association and hereby pledge to support its activities, to be loyal and proud of my alma mater, to conduct myself as a member of good standing according to the best of my knowledge and discretion, with deep sense of unity and social responsibility. And I impose upon myself this voluntary obligation without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations to the class 2025 for being an official member of the Naga College Foundation Alumni Association. Continue to strive harder and continue to pursue our quest for knowledge and truth that is embedded on your medals. Maraming salamat and congratulations as well as to the school officials of the Naga College Foundation and of course to the proud parents of our graduates. Good morning.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky used to see, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. There's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me. Beyond that line, will I cross that line? The line to the sky, to the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
So I'll sing the goodbye song.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye.
Every step we take, a story unfolds. The strength inside us, brave and bold. Through all the trials, we've reached the goal. Our dreams are the treasures we proudly hold. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. The lessons we've learned, the bonds we've made, the love and guidance that never fade. With every challenge we're unafraid, for in our hearts the foundation's laid. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight, with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight, with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is the time, beginning we see, the path ahead calls for you and me. With every dream we will always agree, our journey unfolds as we set ourselves free. Sandali, di na tayo magkakamali, kasi wala nang bukas. Sulitin natin, ito na ang wakas. Kailangan na yata nating umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat.
Ayan na, malalim na ang gabi, pero ayoko sanang magmadali. Kay tamis, kay sarap, ngunit ito na ang huli. Kailangan na yata nating umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat. Paalam sa ating huling
Crowded hallways are the loneliest places for outcasts and rebels, or anyone who just dares to be different. And you've been trying for so long to find out where your place is, but in their narrow minds there's no room for anyone who dares to do something different. Oh, listen for a minute. Trust the one who's been where you are, wishing all it was sticks and stones. Those words cut deep, but they don't mean you're all alone. And you're not. Hear me out. There's so much more to life than what you're feeling now. Someday you'll look back on all these days, and all this pain is gonna be invisible. All invisible. So your confidence is quiet. To them quiet looks like weakness, but you don't have to fight it.
Grade 6, please rise. As we look back to our years of struggle in kindergarten and grade school, we cannot help but be overwhelmed with a feeling of pride and happiness. As we reminisce those good old days of our kindergarten and grade school life, we see the countless hours of studying, the happy and sad moments shared with classmates and friends, and the challenges we have bravely overcome. But most important, we see the ones behind our success, they who have made it possible. To you, we give our heartfelt thanks. To you, Lord, for your divine guidance and the inner strength you never fail to give. For your light that continues to shine upon us in our journey towards success. To our parents, for your never-ending supports and encouragement, your patience and kind
understanding gave us reason to strive and give the best that we can. To our teachers for molding us into what are now. You helped shape our future as you fed and nurtured our thirsty minds with truth, wisdom, and knowledge. To our friends, for you have made school life brighter and more fun. You shared with us our joys and triumphs, and never once did you leave us in times of need and sorrow. Though words are not enough to express our deep gratitude, we thank you all from the bottom of our hearts.
Lord, if we could, we would fill our hands with all the wonderful things you give us. Then we'd lift them up and give them back to you.
To you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord. And
You know, you make me glow. I feel so good, it's true. So glad that I have you. You love me so. Now all is bright. I'll always thank you for the glow, and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing in time with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Remember my growing years, they're filled with joy because you're there for me. And you cast my fears away. You wipe those tears. You give me strength each day. I thank you for the glow, and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing
walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning now, see us in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is untamed still. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. Fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around. But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm, and time is frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. The story of my life. The story of my life. The story of my life.
'Cause 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 ' school, it's my home, it's my sheltering place. It is here where I belong. I'll have a brighter tomorrow, for they're showing me the way. To believe, to be strong, to have courage, show among the stars is where we belong. So leap into the future's in our hands. Leap into the future, the best is yet to come. Yes, I believe in tomorrow, for the things I learned today. NCF is my school, it's the best foundation to become what we believe. We believe, we believe, we will be what we believe. We will be what we believe. We will be what we believe. Live into the future. The future's in our hands. Live into
Announcement, all grade 6 pupils, please be reminded that the National Achievement Test will be administered tomorrow. Please be in school before 7 a.m. to avoid any delays. Come prepared and bring all necessary materials. Thank you. All graduates will be having...
Together we stand.
Kinder Timon first, with Teacher Queenie. Next, grade 6 Alexander, to be followed by grade 6 Androcles.